All right, good morning, good morning. Hey, quick word. Man, it's cold outside. Y'all see I got my hoodie on, looking like something. I don't know what I'm looking like today. But but I thank God. But today's message came from when Moses was in the desert and he passed a burning bush. And I tell you what, it was just I keep going back to that story because God keeps speaking to me about that bush. He said Moses went in front of a bush, but what happened was God said some of our greatest blessings is like that bush. They are right in front of our faces. They are waiting on us. Some of your greatest blessings is right in front of you, and you don't even recognize what you're looking at. Moses didn't even recognize what he was looking at. You don't need, sometimes your blessing can be right there in your face, and you don't even recognize what you're looking at. But what happened is Moses gave the bush time enough to speak. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's a message. Sometimes we don't even give the bush or the blessing time enough to speak to us. We move too fast. We move ahead of God. We move behind God. We move out of his will. We try to move too fast. But what we need to do is give the blessing time enough to speak. The Bible said judge nothing before it's time. So sometimes we need to wait on God. We got some good blessings. You got some great things in your life. You have some great people in your life that you just got to wait on God. Let God begin to let the blessing speak to you. God will tell you in the blessing. He'll tell you when to leave. He'll tell you when to go, but give it time. That's what Moses didn't recognize. Some of his greatest blessings was right in front of him, but he ended up letting the blessing speak to him. And that's what we got to do today. We got to let the blessing speak. It's some people God has assigned to your life, and they right there in your face, but you moving too fast because you got offended. Okay, I ain't gonna mess with you this morning. You done let something go that you should have held on to. Give the blessing time enough to speak. God will tell you when to let go. He'll tell you when to hold on. But you have to wait on God this morning. Don't get ahead of the blessing. I tell you, let the blessing speak to you. Just like God spoke to Moses out of that bush. I tell you, we need to have a bush conversation. Oh man, that's a whole other message. Hey man, I love y'all this morning. God bless y'all. Stay warm out there. Man, I'm trying to. You see my hoodie on. Hey, God bless y'all, man. Love you.